How to text a path in Photoshop. This is what we are going to talk about today in this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. This really helps a lot. So without any further ado, let's move into the video. So first of all, what you're going to do is you're going to go and over here, and you're going to go on the pencil tool, that is the pen tool. You have to right click here and select the pen tool that you want, and you are going to go to the pen tool, and then you are going to hit this kind of path that I've created. I'm going to create this kind of path. You can also transform it whatever you want, and you can also convert it not to fill. So I'm going to over here and click on not fill. As I have created a path, so this is the path over here. Then I have to go on the text option, that is the text option that I want to create. As I click on the text option, I bring it near over here. So you may not be able to see, but this cursor changes to a line. As I click on over here with the line, so it selects the path in which I want to put the set text. So I'm going to back it up, and I'm going to write whatever text I want. So this is say thank you, thanks for subscribing. So none of you may be able to see because the text is too small. I'm going to change the text size to a bigger portfolio. Let me select this again and change it to a bigger portfolio. So this is the text. You can see this is how the text works. I'm going to put it a little bit down and change the text color to black. And now you can text any path in the Photoshop. You can write any path and you can text it however you want. This is all from the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section. Also, don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.